Hello again, everybody. Got lot, lot of work, a lot more work done today, and there you can see the line. I say there, I pointed out line from the loco parts blower line. This is the loco parts angle globe valve, and the little 3/16 inch line to the fitting, to the elbow, to the 3/16 inch copper that will go straight through. And if you missed the explanation on that, this is the very line I had threaded. I had it in, just holding in the lathe to thread it, and I threaded it with a model taper pipe thread as I did the elbow. And the idea is I can unscrew this and unscrew this, take this line off, then undo the little elbow here, and there's nothing to keep the blower line from being pulled out. So it'll be removable and serviceable that way. The other thing I got done, I had previously showed this line for this basically the top ventilation 3/16 inch copper line for the sight gauge. In order for the sight gauge to be able to work, it needs to have airflow to the boiler, the top of the boiler. So got that piece done as well and silver soldered, so very happy about that. And the next thing, I don't know when I'll get to it. You can see this little green fuzzy thing here. Just the beginning of a mock-up of a line that needs to go down a supply line that it'll be on most of the time basically. From this is a PM Research angle globe valve, one of the ones that I made and put a video out years ago. So I'll need to make fittings for that and make up that line, and that'll be my next thing. And then I'll have basically all these little lines done, and the next after that, this is going to be the quick start valve for the injector, and this will be the quick start valve that will run to the ejector, which will create vacuum to run the vacuum brakes that I have on the tender. So those are just in position temporarily now. I need to play with the positions of those. And the only other control that I can think of right now, I had drilled and tapped a hole on the back side of the steam header bar for the whistle valve, and there's the loco parts whistle down there. So I'll need to run piping to it, place the injector here, work on the water supply and the steam supply for it, and then the steam ejector on the other side. So coming together bit by bit, and I hope it's useful and interesting. As I made in the comments to Ben, I really do like making these little brass fittings. Brass is easy to work, and it's kind of fun. So I hope that's helpful.